Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Watch this. One click. Photoshop identifies every edge, every strand, every curve of a complex subject and selects it. That is the Object Selection tool, now powered by cloud-based AI that processes your selections server-side for dramatically higher accuracy. Press W to activate it. Click anywhere on your subject. The AI maps it instantly. For even higher precision, switch the processing mode from device to cloud in Preferences, Image Processing. The cloud model handles hair wisps, mesh fabrics, and reflective product surfaces that local processing cannot. After selecting, press Q to enter Quick Mask. Red overlay shows exactly where the selection sits. Refine with the Refine Hair tool in Select and Mask. One click was just the beginning.